All right, let's undo this. So we've got, definitely got enough of this here, right? All right, so we got to get this on there first. So let's take a look at it. Let's look at both of these. Now it looks like, I mean, it doesn't really, you should just be able to push this on there. Okay, there we go. We're ready to go. All right, so now this, you've got to plug in here. Okay, now notice it's got a little notch on it right there. And if you look on here, see that notch there? So that notch has to go forward. So it's going to go like that. Let me get a better shot of this for you. So if you look, you see that notch? Notch is up, right? So I've got to kind of slip it in there like that. Right there. Let's see if you can see. And then I'm going to push it down. So now it's in. Now we're good. Now all we got to do is take this. All right, so here we are. I'm just going to set that there now. And then this here, I just got to plug it in over here. Bam, done. And if you look, you're going to see it's all lit up. So it may have a full charge on it already. I don't know. But we'll just let it charge, and then we'll see how charged up it gets. And I do believe this is the on and off switch. So, you know, once we get it fully charged, then we'll go ahead and take her out and try her in the pool and see how she works. So this is the cordless robotic pool cleaner. It's called Bluehole. It's a Bubot 500P. It's a new model. And I think this is a couple models up from the other one that I showed you guys. All right, so anyway, this power switch is in the off position. Once we're ready to put it in the pool, we have to submerge it, and then we're going to turn it clockwise all the way over. And it's basically got just one speed. And it just goes in there and cleans the pool. So we'll show you that in a minute. Now I think it may be fully charged because I've got all green all the way around. You follow me? And I think we can go ahead and put it in the pool now and see how she works. How's that sound? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.